How to balance chemical equations in 5 easy steps. Step 1. Count the atoms on each side of the equation, that is on reactant side and on product side, like this. These values are the subscript value which represent the number of atoms only. 1 atom, 2 atom. So our step 1 is done, smooth. Step 2. Just change the value of coefficients only. Number placed in front of elements are coefficient and number after the elements are subscripts. We cannot change the subscripts. These are the subscripts value only. Now, what is our next step? That is, we are having 1 coefficient value, 2 oxygen atom, 2 oxygen atom. Oxygen atom is balanced. Now, what about sulfur? Here I have 1 sulfur atom on product side and 8 on reactant side. So multiplication factor, that is the coefficient value 8 is used. 1 into 8, that is 8. Now both are balanced. SS sulfur is balanced, but the problem is oxygen 2 into 8 because 16 oxygen atom on product side, but we are having 2 oxygen atom on reactant side. So what will be our next step? That is, we have to multiply this with 8 so that 2 into 8 16. Now this equation is balanced. Step 2 is done. Clear? Step 3. Only change the coefficient. The number in front of elements are coefficient and after are subscripts. We cannot change the value of subscripts. These subscripts just give the information of atoms. So this is 2 into 2, that is 4. Now 2 into 1, that is 2 oxygen atom. Oxygen atom is balanced. What about hydrogen? I have 4 atom on this, 2 atom on this side. So I'm using value of 2 as a coefficient, so that 2 into 2, that is 4 atoms of hydrogen on product reactant side. Now both the elements are balanced. Done. Step 4, most important step, because in this case we are dealing with polyatomic ions. Polyatomic ions means which containing more than 1 atoms. Why ions? Carried due to presence of charge. So these are the polyatomic ions, SO4, NO3. Clear? Now just considering the polyatomic ions complete as a one unit, single unit, and CaSO4, Na, NO3. So this is 1. We are having 1 sulfate on product side. Yes, 1. Na on reactant 1, but on product side it is 2. Nitrate NO3 1, and on product side it is 1 into 2, that is 2. Clear? Now I have to multiply with 2 on reactant side so that 2 sodium atom. Now sodium is balanced, but nitrate ion is 2. 1 into 2, 2 nitrate ions. Nitrate and sodium is balanced now. What about calcium and sulfate? Sulfate is 1, sulfate is 1. Already balanced. Count all the atoms. CH4 plus O2. Now this is another new step in which we have to add again carbon 1, hydrogen. What about oxygen? Yes, 2 atom from CO2. Yes, and 1 atom from this. 2 plus 1, that is 3 atom. I have 3 atom of oxygen on product side. So again we have to change only the value of coefficients. 2 into 2, 4. 2 plus 1, that is 2 into 2. Again 4 atom. Now coefficient 2 is used. I am using 2 now on this side. 2 into 2, that is 4 atoms. Now all are balanced.